Welcome to our in-depth review of the RK Royal KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard. If you're a keyboard enthusiast or just someone who enjoys typing, this keyboard promises to elevate your experience to new heights. With its smart display, customizable knob, and a host of other features, let's dive into what makes this keyboard a standout choice. First, let's talk about the design. The RK Royal KLUDGE S98 is a top-mount 96% keyboard, which means it retains a compact layout while being fully functional. The keyboard packs 98 keys into a sleek and modern form factor, making it an excellent fit for both gaming setups and office workspaces. The attention to detail in its craftsmanship is evident, with a solid build quality that feels durable under your fingers. Now, one of the standout features is the smart display located at the top of the keyboard. This innovative addition allows users to view notifications, system stats, and even quick access controls right at their fingertips. No more fumbling through screens. Everything you need is conveniently displayed, which enhances productivity significantly. The RK S98 is equipped with both Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless connectivity options, as well as a USB-C connection for wired use. Whether you're looking to cut down on cable clutter or simply want the freedom to take your keyboard on the go, the flexibility of multiple connection methods is a major plus. With a reliable wireless performance, you can expect low latency during gaming sessions and a lag-free typing experience. It's also important to mention the Hot-Swappable feature. This means you can easily customize your experience by swapping out switches without any soldering. Whether you prefer a tactile feel, linear smoothness, or clicky responsiveness, the RK S98 allows you to tailor your typing experience to your preference. Plus, it supports various switch types, making it versatile for different users. As for the sound profile, the keyboard boasts a creamy, satisfying sound that adds to the tactile feedback. Each key press feels cushioned yet responsive, making it great for both typing lengthy documents and intensive gaming marathons. If you're a fan of mechanical keyboards, you'll appreciate the audible feedback without it being overwhelming or disruptive. And don't forget about the software support. The RK Royal KLUDGE S98 comes with dedicated software that lets you customize key functions, set macros, and even change RGB lighting effects. You can personalize your keyboard to reflect your style, from subtle lighting to vibrant displays that sync with your setup. In conclusion, the RK Royal KLUDGE S98 mechanical keyboard wows with its blend of functionality, customization, and innovative features. The combination of a smart display, versatile connectivity, and hot-swappable mechanical switches makes it a fantastic choice for gamers and typists alike. If you're on the hunt for a mechanical keyboard that checks all the boxes, the RK S98 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us in this review, and happy typing!